Tired of hunting for the zoom slider every time you edit a diagram? Master these keyboard shortcuts and zoom instantly. It is one of those little frustrations that really adds up over time. You are deep in a workflow, you need to see a detail, and suddenly you are chasing a tiny slider with your mouse. It breaks your concentration and slows everything down. But here is the good news. With just 2 simple keyboard shortcuts, you can zoom in and out in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira without ever touching that slider again.
In this guide, I will show you the exact keys to press to zoom in and out. We will walk through it step by step together. Let us get started. First, you need to be in your Jira environment. Go ahead and log into your Jira account. This is where all your project boards and issues live. Once you are logged in, you will see your project dashboard. It does not matter which project you are in, as long as you have access to a Draw.io diagram. Now, open the diagram you want to edit.
Find the specific issue or ticket that contains the diagram. Click into it. You should see the diagram embedded in the page. It might take a moment to load, especially if it is a complex diagram or your connection is a little slow. Let it finish rendering. Once it is fully visible on screen, you are ready to go. Here is the key shortcut to zoom in. To zoom in, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, and then press the plus key on your number pad. Now, I want to be really clear about this. You want to use the plus key that is on your number pad, not the one on the main keyboard area next to the backspace key. In my experience, that is the most common mistake people make. The regular plus key often does not trigger the zoom, so make sure you are using the one on the number pad. Press and hold Control, then tap plus once. You should see the diagram zoom in smoothly. Each time you tap plus, it zooms in a little more. You can keep tapping to get as close as you need. And to zoom out, use this shortcut. To zoom out, press and hold the Control key, and then press the minus key on your number pad. Again, use the minus key on the number pad. Hold Control and tap minus. The diagram zooms out. You can tap it repeatedly to zoom all the way out to see the big picture. It really is that simple. Now, let us practice both shortcuts together. Start by opening your diagram. Hold Control and tap plus a few times. Watch the diagram get larger and larger. Great. Now hold Control and tap minus a few times. Watch it shrink back down. You can do this back and forth as much as you want. It becomes muscle memory very quickly. One common pitfall I see is people holding the key down too long. You do not need to hold it. Just a quick tap does the job. And if you find it is not working, double check that you are using the number pad keys and not the ones above the letter keys. So there you have it. From fumbling with the mouse to instantly zooming with your keyboard, it is a small change, but it makes a big difference in your editing efficiency. Now get in there and try it yourself. Thanks for watching.